Are you ready for an unforgettable summer? Omaha is brimming with activities just waiting for you. Imagine a summer filled with vibrant events, outdoor adventures, and cherished family moments at absolutely no cost. That's right. The Omaha Summer Bucket List has 20 amazing free things to do this summer. From the stunning views of the downtown Omaha skyline to the lush Jean Leahy Mall, each spot invites you to explore. Plus, neighborhood music events like Dundee Street Music and Tunes on Town Square are free, bringing communities together for an evening of joy. Your family can dive into creativity at Lowe's Free Kids Workshop or experience the thrill of the Strategic Air Command and Aerospace Museum, where history comes alive. What makes Omaha truly special is its rich blend of culture, nature, and community spirit, all within an easy drive. Plus, our curated weekend roundups ensure you never miss a fantastic event. Don't let summer slip away. Start planning your adventures now. Click the link to get your free Omaha Summer Bucket List today. Embrace summer in Omaha, where there's always something fun and free waiting for you.